If you're trying to get a client, what you need is not technical skill. What you need more are communication skills. Marami sa atin ang magagaling na sa technical, marunong sa Canva, editing, go high level, Facebook ads, etc. Pero bakit parang hirap pa rin makakuha ng client? Kasi madalas, nakakaligtaan yung pinaka-importanting skill. How do you talk during interviews? Kasi clients, especially mga international people, they don't just hire talent. Sobrang dami kasing talented. They hire someone that number one, they like, and number two, they trust. Kaya kahit gaano ka pa kagaling, if you can't speak or hindi ka makakonect properly or carry yourself during the interview, sayang lang. Therefore, communication is not a soft money skill. It opens the door to a lot of opportunity. So, kung gusto mo ayusin yung communication skills mo, I made a course exactly like that to help you. It's very affordable, 230 pesos, very straight to the point, specifically designed for freelancers na laging bagsak sa interview. So, kung lagi kang bagsak sa interview, make sure you get my online course, kundi ispadahin kita.